JV Cycles here with an update on November the 24th. So last week, or the last couple of weeks, I said I was expecting a double top, and it looks like we are trying to make that double top. I must admit that during this past week I really lost my faith in this possible double top. I thought this is going to break down. It's going to break down, but no, we have almost reached that double top. But I don't quite think this topping formation is over. So we'll have to look into that more closely. But first, let us zoom out a bit, because here is my 3.5-year cycle. And we have now ended the very bullish green part of the cycle, as you see here. Now we are in the transition phase, the topping formation, where we can break down anytime, but normally there should be a couple of months left in this bull market. But if you look at this trend channel, you know, we haven't reached the top of the channel. Similar to this bull market that topped in 2018, that was a sign of weakness. But you see that the next bull market did reach the top of the channel, but now it looks like we are in danger of not reaching the top of the channel. That's a longer term warning signal. But sometime these coming next couple of months we should complete the topping formation and then start the next bear market. And if we look at this 17-week cycle, I think, you know, we are right at the top of the cycle. We should have a correction soon, and then the question is, was that the bull market top, or will it be on the next cycle top around February, March? So it's like this: either this is indeed the bull market top, or maybe it is coming in the winter. Anyway, I think the next couple of months will be very choppy, sideways, and this next top in February, March, it could be a higher top, a double top, or a shoulder, like back at the previous bull market top. You know, if you look at this cycle going back 20 years, we have the top around year 2000. We had these, I have marked these 3 cycle tops. And so question, as an analog, are we here or are we here? You know, this shoulder, this one, well, you see here we broke this trend line, and this shoulder almost back tested this broken trend line. If we go to the 2007 bull market top, we see again the cycle here, and here we had a trend line. We broke it, but we did re-enter or regain this trend line with a double top. So, you know, breaking this trend line doesn't mean that we just crash down with a bear market. We can struggle on for another cycle. So if we go back here, we see when we broke this trend line, that was the end of this bull market, and we almost made a double top, but it was a lower shoulder. So we have to see, will we break this trend line in December? And if we do, can we backtest it with a double top or whatever in the winter? So looking at the wavelets daily data, it doesn't look complete, this topping formation. You know, this is how I drew it a couple of weeks ago, but so I'd say it looks like there are a couple of days left here with upside, and we should make at least a double top or a higher high But you know, it's also possible we could have 3 tops here. That's very possible. So at the moment it does not look like an obvious selling setup. It could be a top, but it doesn't quite look like it. So I wouldn't start shorting aggressively or anything here. You know, trend is up, so follow the trend. And if you look at hourly data, Dow Jones Industrial, we see here's the 2-week oscillation, and well, I thought the low was either on Friday or Monday, but actually it was, I think, on Tuesday. So that was quite a late low, 2-week oscillation low. And we see we are now at the 2-week oscillation top. So that suggests pretty much downside for all of this coming week. But it's a holiday shortened week. I would not be confident that we get any real downside here, and I am kind of looking for a bigger top here, so it would be more bearish in my opinion if we go mostly sideways here for maybe 2 weeks. Well, I'm not quite sure, but I don't like this selling setup yet. I have to see how this develops. So yeah, could be the double top I was waiting for. So we had to see this coming week if we crash down, but I am suspecting we need more upside here. Maybe a holiday reversal after this coming week, so then the week thereafter. And we could see some kind of cycle inversion here. That is often the case at corrections, something that breaks the pattern, and some news related or holiday related, something euphoric or something that prevents the market to do the healthy pullback, and then it gets overbought. We get another bullish phase, but the market has not had the healthy pullback, so it can't find momentum, and then we are losing momentum. We are going more sideways. We are getting out of sync with the cycle, and then yeah, that's a typical behavior at the top. So a lot of speculation here. I really don't know about this, but we are at this cycle top. A correction is coming, but the seasonality is, you know, it's rather bullish around Christmas. But the first 2 weeks of December is very often bearish. Very often we have some kind of a low in the middle of December, but then the uptrend continues. So yeah, choppy sideways into the winter. And then we have to see if the next cycle high in February, March, is it higher, a double, or a lower top. Yeah, see you.